Okay, here we have the Lidl 18 volt drill batteries. These are a pretty interesting battery. At £22 is what I paid for these. I bought a bunch of them. This is one that's been opened up, obviously. I believe all the balancing is actually done on the charging side of it. So it puts voltage in and then it distributes it between the cells on here. There is a few transistors down there, as you can clearly see. There's a micro of some kind. And yeah, pretty skookum batteries, to be totally honest. They're INR cells. Obviously they're 18650s. And it's a 5 parallel design. No, 5 series, sorry. 5 series, 2 parallel. And I was thinking about using these. Obviously what I was going to do is put the have the cover on there, drill a couple of holes in the cover, wire some cables to the outputs, and have them so I can use them as electric bike batteries or power the drills that I have with them. So there'll be a multi-purpose battery essentially. Now, for the big electric bike on low power-ish mode, I was going to run 5 of these in parallel and 3 in series. I've got that many of them, and I think it'll be pretty effective, you know, for short trips and whatever else. So they are 4 amp hours, 2000 milliamp hours per cell. They're INR, so they can take about 10 amps per cell, if not more. So that's pretty decent. So that's 20 amps per battery. Yes, that's pretty decent power for an 18650 pack. It'll be nice and convenient. I can stick them on charge whenever I like using the standard charger, no worries. And yeah, I think it'll be a good idea. Now, I did have electric bike batteries before on the big electric bike. They were ICR cells, Samsung 22p to be precise. My internet connection was terrible back then, so I didn't make YouTube videos of it. But they were sold, all spot welded together. I sold the bike that they were to. But, you know, that was as a main battery. I wasn't using it as a small battery, I was using it as a main battery. And they were only 10 amp hour, 10 amps per cell is what the claimed discharge rating was. But to be totally honest, that discharge rating was a load of baloney, because the thing started to really heat up around sort of 6-7 amps. And you got massive voltage sag as well. So they were no good for continuous pounding like the INR cells are. And obviously we all know ICR is a much more dangerous chemistry than INR. So these cells are pretty solid. For the price you pay for the drills and the batteries, it's pretty amazing what you get. I'm not going to lie, it's a pretty good deal. I'll take one of the drills apart later on, we'll see what that looks like. I've already had a look inside it. Pretty decent, all metal gears and everything else. I can't complain. There must be like a loss leader to try and get people into Lidl to buy other stuff like food and things like that. But anyway, that concludes the video on the Lidl drill battery. It's skookum as frig, and yes, I've watched AVE, and I'm subscribed to AVE, and I suggest you do as well. In fact, you better or else. AVE, subscribe. See you later.